For this interview, I would like to ask you about the reflection on this conference. And then before you answer that question, I want you to introduce by yourself. Yeah.
In the first place, I'm standing here in front of Pumkatna. This is always my message, almost for the whole of my lifetime, I think. My name is Vanneihtluanga. I'm from Mizoram. They used to call me a kind of a motivator, or used to have my speech for motivation. Anyway, I am also the editor of a monthly journal, as well as the founder of this Zonet cable TV in the first place. And after that, Zonet was not cable, no longer cable, just Zonet TV. Now we are here, as you know, on this 18 and 19 February. The 19th February is today. This meeting, this conference is one of a kind. I've never experienced, I've never seen. It's so good. Not only that, it's one of a kind. I mean, I have never experienced and I have never expected these things. But at the same time, I'm very sorry to tell you that it's difficult to know the language, because many of us, maybe 30,000 in Mizoram, who no longer knows the Zomi language. Anyway, including myself, we all are Zomi, and in the States also, the next generation may not be able to understand the language. But still, we all are Zomi. That is what I feel today. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. So for the next question, so what is your hope for the Zomi according to this conference? What I mean is, like, after the conference, what changes may happen in your opinion?
Very, very bright. Simply because of this word, Pumkatna, there is going to be a unity, a better integration between the true Zomis as well. And not only that, between all other Chin, including the Tlangmis, and all of us are going to be integrated together. That is my dream. There will come a time that all the Tlangmis, all the Mizos and Zomis, all of us will be as a very big column someday. That is what I am hoping for.